What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna create a validation algorithms in Java. So usually the validation algorithms returns the boolean value either true or false. So in this video our goals it's gonna be to create a complex password, where we have few checkpoints whether there is at least one uppercase and one lowercase and one digit. So this kind of algorithms is gonna help to make the password is complex, right? So let's get started with creating the functions. And public static, the booleans, it's gonna return the boolean. So so the function's name is gonna be is password complex, and it's gonna take a string value, and then we're gonna use a jar method to create an object, and it has the any match functions that can help us to figure out if this string has any uppercase, right? So remember, to use this any match functions you have to use the JDK 15 at least. So you want to make sure you cannot have this the any match functions in your Java 11. It's not gonna work. And as you can see, so the character colon is has to be is the uppercase, right? So that's how it's gonna check if the string has any uppercase value. So same way we're gonna copy and paste and do for the lowercase, right? So then it's gonna check if the password has the lowercase value in the string, right? So you just replace the is uppercase to is lowercase. So the last thing we need to check if the string has any of the digit, right? So it's gonna be pretty much same. You just copy and paste it, and once you do that, you just change the is lowercase to is digits. So that's how you kind of like check, and you just return the value. So it's gonna return you the true or false, right? So there is another way you could actually figure it out, but with that way there is a small problems. There is another simple way of doing it, but in this way, as you can see right there, I was checking it. In this way, it's gonna only return true if there is one condition is true. So this is not gonna help us in a way, because we want to make sure that our three criteria met. So that's why it wasn't worth it of using that. So that's why we are using the upper one to make sure that it meets the all three criteria, and then it's gonna return the true or false. So now let's go to main functions and just call these functions with a different value, right, to see if what is it returns, right? So as you can see, I'm trying to make a few of the different one with hello. So you can see I use the magic here, which is gonna be Control Alt down arrow. When you do it, it's gonna duplicate the previous line. So I kind of like trying to see the different values here. So the first one I use the one capitals and then small and then digit. The second one is all lowercases. The third one lowercase, one uppercase but not digit, and the fourth one all uppercase. and maybe another one. We could see, just put it in space to see what it returns, right? So let's run the programs and see what exactly it returns. As you can see, only the first one met the criteria, but everyone else has the lacking, right? Because only the first one has the one capital and the lower and the zero. So that's how you're gonna create a validation algorithms. And this kind of algorithms, it's very helpful, and it's for at least for the password complexity, you can use this kind of algorithms. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channels, please do so. Thank you.